Hey everyone, welcome back to Skill Hub, your go-to channel for mastering new skills, making money online, and staying ahead in the digital world. If you're looking for ways to turn your TikTok passion into profit, you're in the right place. Today, we re-dive into how you can make money on TikTok in 2025, even if you're just starting out. We'll cover all the monetization methods, from TikTok, Creator Fund, to brand deals, affiliate marketing, and more. Before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more money-making tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, we love hearing from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what TikTok money-making method interests you the most. Who knows? Your idea might be featured in our next video. So how do people actually make money on TikTok? Unlike YouTube, TikTok offers multiple revenue streams, but you need the right strategy to make them work. There are 5 main ways to earn money on TikTok. 1. TikTok Creator Fund. Get paid for your views. To brand partnerships and sponsored content, companies will pay you to promote their products. 3. TikTok Live Gifts and Coins. Your audience can send you money during live stream. For affiliate marketing, earn commissions by promoting products. 5. Selling your own products or services. Turn your TikTok followers into customers. Now let's dive into each method. But to qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers, a minimum of 100,000 video views in the past 30 days, to be 18 years or older, and a pro account. To apply, go to TikTok settings, select Creator Tools, tap Creator Fund, and follow the steps. Pro tip: post high-quality, engaging videos consistently to maximize earnings. Next, brand deals and sponsorships. If you've built an audience, brands will pay you to promote their products. The best part, you don't need millions of followers. Micro-influencers with 5K, 50K followers can still land paid deals. To find brand deals, check out TikTok Creator Marketplace, influencer marketing platforms like Upfluence or FameBit, or reach out to brands directly via email or Now, let's talk about TikTok Live Gifts. Go live and get paid. Viewers can send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into real money. To go live, you need 1,000 followers and to be 18 years or older. To earn more, interact with your audience, answer questions, host Q&A sessions or challenges, and encourage viewers to send gifts to support your content. Promote Amazon, eBay, or Shopify products using affiliate links. Join Amazon Associates or TikTok's affiliate program. Place product links in your bio. Create engaging videos showcasing the products and earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. Some of the best platforms for affiliate marketing are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and last but not least, selling your own products or services. Got a business? TikTok can be your free marketing tool. Sell merchandise, print on demand, Etsy, Shopify, offer coaching, digital courses or ebooks, and use TikTok ads to drive traffic to your website. Fitness influencers sell workout plans, makeup artists sell beauty courses, and entrepreneurs promote dropshipping stores. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to turn TikTok into a money-making machine. Whether you go with the Creator Fund, brand deals, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products, the key is consistency and engagement. We'd love to hear from you. What TikTok money-making method are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more money-making and business tips. And hey, share this with a friend who wants to start making money on TikTok. Thanks for watching Skill Hub. See you in the next video.